Bonjour, amigos! Today I have decided to do a very insightful YouTube video for you. It's quite quick and snappy and I hope you like it. The light is too bright. I have not whitened my face. Let me just reduce this slightly. Ugh. So anyway, this is a super insightful video for you. I know you're gonna like it because I know I'm gonna love explaining it to you. Today I'm gonna teach you how to rotate your tongue 360 degrees. You can use this to show off with your friends or impress your partner, anything. Now, let me tell you how this even started. I think the brightness has again gone weird. So let me tell you how this even started. When I was in school, people used to show off the flexibility of their tongue. So it's not something I'm born with. It's not like I just came out of my mom's and I was like,
oh, look what I can do with my tongue.
So anyway, I was just like, okay, cool, fine, this sounds interesting. So let me just try it. I actually practiced a lot in order to turn my tongue 360 degrees. There were some people who could, like very few people who could do it. So I was just like, okay, fine, let me go ahead and practice as well. And after that, I was just like, yeah, honey, see what I can do with my tongue? I can even actually make my tongue into a bowl. Yes, it looks very easy for some, but not everyone can do it. So these are tongue tricks. I actually wanted to make this video into like how to turn your tongue 360, but let me show you the other things. The other two things, I mean, there's a lot of things that I can do with my tongue, but these are the other two things that not everyone can do. But I cannot teach you how to do the other two things because it's very... I think that is something you may be born with, I don't know. So the first thing is obviously turning your tongue 360. Like that. The second thing is making my tongue into a bowl. There. I can obviously not put the camera inside for you to see how beautiful the bowl is, but can you see? Number 3 is folding your tongue. Like, you know how you fold your clothes? Like that. So it's stuck. The tongue is stuck. It's not like I'm like folding it. It's stuck. It's like glue. I did think that I should clean my tongue. I just had paneer right before this. I can't believe I'm shooting this video. Oh my god. Now let's begin the tutorial on how to turn your tongue 360. The first thing you do is you need to exercise your tongue, okay? You know how you can do 180-degree splits? You can't do 180-degree splits if you don't try. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make your tongue flexible. First thing is, now look, obviously I can't talk when I'm doing this, so just figure out, right? You go left, right. So you know how you do workouts? Do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now that you've done that, after you obviously get through that, like do that every day until you can like completely do it well without any like effort, without straining yourself. Next, what you do is you clench your teeth like that. Guys, please excuse if there's anything on my teeth. Last time I was recording something and it was like they had lipstick marks on my teeth. So, clench your teeth and put your tongue outside. Now, the same thing, clench your teeth and do that. So, 10 times, okay? There you go. That's good. I can't believe I'm recording this. Guys, if my mom sees this video, she'll kill me. She'll be like, I have no self-respect remaining. Oh my goodness. YouTube, how do I block just my mother? So, that's how you do it, right? So that's what's in support, with support of your teeth. Then what you do is, you hold your teeth and you know how you did, now you go, and turn it. So basically, you know how you did like that? You start like that and then just turn it smoothly. Now, if you didn't have the support of your teeth, you can't turn like this. You can only do it with the support of your teeth. So watch what I do, yeah? I'm not gonna close my mouth. See? So it's okay, you get it, right? Guys, did you get it? Guys, please tell me, did you get it? Please say yes. I know I can't hear you, but just say yes, right? So then what you do is you cover your lips. You cover your teeth with your lips and then do the turn. And then no one can tell what you're doing inside. I hope you liked this video. Hit like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you can finally do it, just tag me or comment or something, just so I don't think that this video was absolutely useless and disastrous. Bye!